Welcome. In this video I will show you how to disable personalized ads on your LG Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the sidebar to open Quick Settings menu. Here select the gear icon once again to open All Settings. In All Settings, navigate to General, and in General tab select System. Now in System, you're gonna have to go to Additional Settings, select Home Screen, and here you'll see two options or two features: Home Promotion and Content Recommendation. If you switch the first one off, you will disable ads on your home screen, and if you disable the second one, you will disable the content recommendations on your home screen, and will make your home screen look much cleaner this way without personalized ads. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.